फैशन फॉर मी इज बेसिकली द कॉन्फिडेंस कि है ना बेटा, आप मोटे हो, ये कपड़े आप पे सूट नहीं करते हैं.
Correct.
You should not wear that crop top because it's not meant for you.
Much more exciting when you're not forced to do a certain.
When you force somebody to do it, that means you don't want to do that. And it's like यार ये तो गलत है, ये मैं ही क्यों कुर्ता पहनूं, मेरी पतली वाली बहन कुर्ता क्यों नहीं पहन सकती. मुझे उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I started fighting in house because I knew मैं प्यार से उनको समझा नहीं सकती हूँ.
No one stopping their son walking shirtless in a reel.
I don't know why parents don't see that, you know.
And I think parents also think sometimes that we're doing it only to show off our body.
The fat tax. There's a term called fat tax. The worst comment I've heard from my relatives थी, तू कभी माँ नहीं बन पाएगी just because you're fat.
If we don't take a stand right now, our future generations
Will suffer.
actually suffer because
And I am a self-made lawyer. मतलब लड़कियों के लिए तो मेरे को लगता है मैं लॉ लड़
I
सकती हूँ.
love how she said that.
लड़की का क्या सपना होता है, यार पापा ने मेरे लिए इतना किया है, उनके लिए एक. Because people don't listen, right? उनको सुनना नहीं है. Just because आपने रैंप पे एक प्लस साइज लड़की को रख लिया, that doesn't mean कि तुम इंक्लूसिव हो गए.
I love how you said that. Hi guys, I'm Ishita
And I'm Kanishka.
and welcome to
Drop the filter. Today with us we have Kirti.
Hi.
How are you feeling? How's everything going?
Nice dude, very nice. It's amazing. Thank you for calling me here.
Please, it's our pleasure.
Yeah.
But how's life been?
It's been really nice. It's a roller coaster, honestly, but it's fun. I like the roller coaster ride. I'm having really a lot of fun in this field.
How did content creation start, if that's the field you're talking about?
Yeah. So in lockdown, usually I think most of the creators were
Yeah.
created in lockdown. So usi time pe I had this vision because I come from a fashion background. So I always had this thing ki I wanted to do something in my community for plus size people because I couldn't see the visibility online. So I thought I can take that initiative and I created a page on Instagram. Like very शुरुआत से ही I knew कि मुझे content creation ही करना है.
Oh,
I wanted to
wow.
be there. I wanted to be an influencer how everybody else is. So I started creating videos, me and my sister-in-law, because there was no other work to do, either to cook or to create some content. So that was the correct time where I started creating a lot of reels, little body positive content. I started posting and I think a lot of people could really connect to what I was trying to say, and I could see the messages, I could see the responses, and I understood that okay, this is where I want to go ahead in life, and this is how one of my video got viral, and one other ek ke baad ek, it just kept happening. So that is how I started my journey.
Nice journey, because I think even I wanted to be a content creator,
Yeah.
which I am actually now with the podcast. But you talk about fashion a lot on your page. What is something that inspires you, maybe a person or anything related to your style?
Fashion for me is basically the confidence. For me, it's more about the confidence. It's not about the clothes.
Yeah.
No matter what you wear, it's about the confidence you carry in yourself. And I think that is
Absolutely.
one thing which keeps me thriving towards my style, my fashion. Because fashion mein, I cannot particularly categorize myself, you know. I just want to be out there. I want to experiment a lot. So I do not, if you see my content also, I do not follow a particular style. I have different styles. So for me, it's more about how I carry myself. I showed that, and through that I want people to feel confident when they see me wearing certain dresses, certain styles. So I want them to carry, because I have always heard from my mother or from my grandmother saying that कि है ना बेटा, आप मोटे हो, ये कपड़े आप पे सूट नहीं करते हैं.
Correct.
You should not wear that crop top because it's not meant for you. So that is how that thing came in me, because I'm like, why not? Why can't I just carry myself that way? And स्कूल तक तो ये था कि चलो ठीक है, पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल योर स्टाइलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. वंस यू कम टू कॉलेज लाइफ, यू आर लिटरली फ्री, that you can try different things with your friends. Parents also give you little freedom to choose what you want to do, and that is how I started building the confidence, and I started getting a lot of compliments about how I carry myself, and I understood that no, it's not about the clothes, it's about you.
Absolutely.
I love that.
I love that. But do you think you always had that confidence, or you had to
I think
fight
I
a
always
battle?
inside had that confidence, वो बाहर नहीं आ रहा था.
Okay.
But through content creation, I think somehow it just came out. And I think even before that, when I was in my college, because I come from a fashion background, at that time fashion colleges में we had no rules, because if you see in Bangalore, there are a lot of rules in colleges where आपको सिर्फ कुर्ती पहन के आना है.
Yeah.
Correct.
You can't wear certain clothes.
Yeah.
There's a rule for girls every time wherever you go. The clothes are the biggest highlight for women, that you have to dress up a certain way, which I really did not want to follow. तो दिमाग में 8th स्टैंडर्ड में ही था कि फैशन डिजाइनर बनना है.
There's no-
Wow.
Yeah.
I love that.
कि I was always very clear with my goals that what I want to do in life. I never had to struggle with my thoughts कि यार मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. जैसे I see a lot of people struggling till today that कि यार मैं क्या करूँ, किस फील्ड में जाऊँ. Because with me, my experience was always very clear. 8th स्टैंडर्ड में बुक खोल के बैठी थी, कुछ स्केच कर लिया, दिमाग में आ गया फैशन डिजाइनर बनना है. मैं कुर्ते नहीं पहन के कॉलेज जाने वाली. It just came
And I
from
think
there.
it's not a problem that ki kurta is not the problem.
Correct.
The problem is people forcing you to
Forcing
wear
you
that.
to wear the kurta is
And
the
the
problem.
intention behind it.
Correct.
I love wearing, like, literally.
Yeah.
But the idea is it's much more exciting when you're not forced to do a certain.
When you force somebody to do it, that means you don't want to do that. And it's like कि यार ये तो गलत है, ये मैं ही क्यों कुर्ता पहनूं, मेरी पतली वाली बहन कुर्ता क्यों नहीं पहन सकती.
Exactly.
That is how you start hating the things कि यार when the girl had to adjust a certain way कि यार you cannot style like this, you cannot be like this because your body doesn't allow you to look like.
I think also with this, I've seen what has happened with me. Like a lot of people, like who have like a model figure, some outfits that look on them and on me, I would get sexualized more,
Correct.
and I just hate it.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, I think I've experienced that.
Yeah, no, for sure.
hate it. And like I'm like, what do you
Yeah.
want me to do? Like, how should I stop it? Like, these are my genes, like this is my body,
Yeah.
I'm healthy, I'm happy, but you cannot. And then they put it on us that we are sexualizing ourselves. I'm like, it's not us.
Yeah.
It's you guys who are putting it on us.
Absolutely.
The way you perceive things, it's not about us. And I think that's how everything just started with me. And दिमाग में था कि यार नहीं, I have to stop this. And that is how I came to college. And then the confidence I could see from there कि यार, it was always there in me. I just didn't try it out. Until unless you don't try something in life, I don't think so you can achieve. You can
Absolutely
meet
not.
yourself. And to understand myself, I had to experience a lot of things with me. That is how I understood कि यार ये भी अच्छा लग ही सकता है. किसने बोला मेरे ऊपर क्रॉप टॉप अच्छा नहीं लगेगा या ड्रेस अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. दैट इज हाउ द फैशन का जो कीड़ा मेरे अंदर आया, इट जस्ट बिगैन फ्रॉम देयर कि यार
It is very interesting, and it's very, I think बहुत लोगों के वो कीड़ा आता है, but a lot of people can't pursue it because of a lot of issues. I think you also mentioned that your mother and grandmother had a certain issue initially. How did you get through that?
I think you can never make your parents understand about it because they have always come from a certain background.
Correct.
Our
Absolutely.
culture, their thinking is very different, and I don't blame them because they have also heard these things from their mothers and everything. It's from the generations to generations, so changing that thought process is a very huge thing. So initially it took a lot of time for me to make her understand because she used to always say कि यार तू मत कर. Even when I started my journey, my mom wasn't happy with that कि यार what are you doing online? आंटी देख रही है, बुआ देख रही है, ताई जी देख रही है, सब देख रहे हैं, सब फोन करके बोल रहे हैं. It took a lot of time for me to tell them कि नहीं, मैं करूँगी. I want to do it. आपके जैसे लोग बहुत है, घर में बैठी हुई लड़कियां, मुझे उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I started fighting in house because I knew मैं प्यार से उनको समझा नहीं सकती हूँ. There was no coming back from how I want to make them understand. Then I started showing them a lot of videos of other people, how the mothers are, how they react to situations, how they react to things. If I want to change my parents' perspective about certain things, I'll have to give them examples, live examples. So I used to take them out, I used to show them different girls, भले ही वो फॉरेन की लड़कियां हो या इंडियन हो या कुछ भी हो, कल्चर्स दिखाती थी उनको अलग अलग कि ये भी कर रही है, वो भी कर रही है. क्यों आपका दिमाग इसी जगह पे अटका हुआ है कि मैं नहीं कर सकती.
I think एक point पे आता है, even when your parents are okay to understand such things, there are people in the outside world who don't let them take that extra step. Because I have faced it, she has faced it.
क्योंकि तुम बिगाड़ रहे हो अपने बच्चे को. It comes off.
Every woman has faced, not I wouldn't say every, but like a lot of women have faced it because no one's stopping their son walking shirtless in a reel.
Correct.
You know what I mean?
Correct.
But if यहाँ पे live little bit like we're wearing
जैसे
little.
cleavage दिख गया तो आफत है.
You just saw what I did in the start of the shoot.
Yeah.
I was fixing my top.
Correct.
So
Yeah, I mean that's and I don't understand the taboo bhi hai.
We have this much brain. मंदिर में मैं क्रॉप टॉप पहन के नहीं जाऊंगी.
Absolutely
thank you so
not.
much.
Absolutely not. और हम लोग ये भी नहीं
I
कर
think we are educated enough to style ourselves in different culture, different perspective, different जगहों पे. I don't know why parents don't see that, you know.
And I think parents also think sometimes that we're doing it only to show off our body. I don't think
Correct.
people are understanding the fashion and the
seek
fun.
attention.
That's the idea, but honestly, no one's doing that. There are very few people who might be doing it. I don't know, but I don't think normally girls just do that to show off their body.
They do it for themselves. Like if I
Exactly.
dress up for myself.
Yeah, and
And
if
for
you
the
like
younger
that,
girls.
exactly, if you like that certain top, it's because you like that top. Now you're not going to a store looking कि अच्छा इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा body दिखता है मैं यही खरीदूंगी.
Yeah, that is
Yeah, plus also I have a very funny story. Like it's like a thought. Like if when I was a kid, I used to wear frocks,
Correct.
and I still want to wear. But now if I wear, it's too short.
And you started
I-
making us wear it.
because the society has kept telling us certain
And I feel I don't even blame the parents over here because I think when they wanted to dress up in their own times, for them wearing jeans were a big thing.
Big taboo.
So
yeah.
that time they were told by their parents, and now I think the parents are trying to protect us in a way like what society will think. I'm not saying bad, but like they're just doing an overprotective, like
Correct,
because
yeah,
they're
that's
mothers
true.
or like fathers
Yeah,
in the
for
end.
sure.
But sometimes just
I think it can get overboard. I think there's a slight line between protecting and
protecting.
overprotecting. Also, putting a layer on your reputation in front of the society.
yeah.
Because people
कोई
very
नहीं वो मत दिखाओ ना.
हाँ. But मैं वो हूँ. You come in that family pressure कि family ऐसा है तो you also should look a certain way. Things like that. But I just don't think that's the right approach to all of this. I feel
Better.
like
I think there can be much more kind words to even address these issues because
Yeah.
I feel what I have recently done, I was just telling her, I don't use the word fat anymore. It is not in my dictionary. I have like when I started podcast, I got a lot of hate on my body, and I'm not joking. Like a lot, and that was from like the people that I know, and I was like I'm speaking such good things over here. Are you not listening to that and you're looking at my body?
yeah.
And I was like, what is wrong with this world? And I used to cry with her. I'm like, I want to leave this. I don't want to do this. But then
You have to fight for your.
say no.
Yeah,
Because I feel like I also told her, I remember telling her that it's okay if you don't want to do it. But you're doing it because of other people.
Yeah.
If it's your own decision,
then you.
I'm supporting it. But you're doing it because you're getting influence and you're listening and you're letting those people influence your life. Because that's what they want.
Correct.
Right? Did you face any of these
Yeah.
things? Because you are posting online about this. So did you face hate? How did you deal with it?
Hate.
What?
I get a lot of hate for the way I dress myself, because I think लड़कों से भी ना वो सहन नहीं होता है. They can't see other girl happy. They think कि ये मुझे ही दिखाने के लिए कपड़े पहन रही है यार, इसको मेरा ही attention चाहिए. अरे भाई क्यों चाहिए होगा मुझे तेरा attention? And firstly, if when I started my journey, मैंने दिमाग में I was very clear. I'm gonna get a lot of hate. The way I am. I knew the internet before I started everything. तो मैंने mentally खुद को बहुत prepare किया कि no matter what, you're not gonna see your comment section. Till today, I don't open my comment section.
Did you ever think of switching off the comment section?
No.
Helps in engagement.
भाई क्यों नहीं तू गाली दे मुझे तू कुछ भी बोल मेरे को engagement मिल रही है I am getting views why will I off my comment section people are dumb to post stupid things मतलब you put random shit on others comment others reels जहाँ की तुम्हारा कोई काम ही नहीं है there is nothing you're just I तो only comment whenever I see a message or a hate comment the best way to reply to a hate comment is thank you just say thank you and just walk off
The fact you're being
and
so
the
kind.
smile that smirk when you give that person उनका जो ego खराब उनका जो ego hurt होता है ना
Much more.
They'll
अरे
be much
तू
more.
thank you कैसे बोल रही है मुझे?
and it's not only the men's yeah the women's are so bad they show you so much hate just the way you dress yourself, because I've met a lot of different women in my life, and I don't blame them because the kind of culture or the religion they come from, तो उनके लिए भी ये सारी चीजें अलग और नई हैं. तो मैं हर किसी को blame नहीं करूंगी, but I think for me personally, when it comes to me, if anybody is telling me the hate, I go to their profile, I see how they are, I just recognize कि लोग किस तरीके से किसी को गंदा बोल सकते हैं, किस लेवल तक जा सकते हैं. It's only for my understanding. I do not come back saying that how dare you say me all this, and I have such good followers. They are my family, such good support. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं, वो खुद ही लड़ने लग जाते हैं comment section पे.
So I think the fact that you said about the religion and everyone, I think leaving that aside, you shouldn't say like such words on the internet. I feel you don't understand what goes behind the person you're posting, and I don't think it's a good thing. I think nowadays, I keep saying this, I'll keep saying it forever, there's so much hate in this world. Just try to be
Kind. Correct.
Yeah, no, for sure. I just
Yeah.
feel like a lot of people don't realize the
How rude they are. Correct.
yeah, and I think firstly, I don't understand how you have so much time. कि लोगों के
Yeah.
जाके मतलब इतने लंबे लंबे पैराग्राफ्स to comment, भाई I like अगर my friend like I've discussed with her that this is what I'm going to like she's going to be posting, I still don't know what to comment.
Correct.
I take 3 hours to decide what to comment, and then last में आता है wow too pretty. मतलब
Yeah, I
वो
think
basic
both of us
चीज़ है.
comment same things. Wow, too pretty, too good.
And there are people who don't know you who will come and write paragraphs. I'm like,
Yeah, and that too so much big hate. जैसे तुम मुझे इतना जानते हो personally that you can.
want your parents. तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने तुम्हें कैसे raise किया है? Oh my God,
I mean, people का time है.
Animal shaming, what they do to me is insane.
Animal shaming?
Animal shaming. तू हाथी जैसी दिखती है, तू गेंडी जैसी दिखती है, तू ऐसी दिखती है. यार, it's so insane. You cannot. If you open my comment section, literally, you'll cry. It's so bad. And you know what? The best way to deal with it is I don't read them. But ऐसा नहीं है, because there'll be a point, where it just hits you.
Yeah, of
When
course,
you're
there
in
will
your
be
lower
days.
phase where you yourself don't feel that confident, because I'm not always confident. Everybody goes to that phase जहाँ पे एक वो calm down आ ही जाता है कि नहीं, I want to settle down, मुझे थोड़ा breathe, I want to just breathe, I just want to be myself. And sometimes some comments are so harsh that they hit you on your heart कि यार shit, क्या ये सही तो नहीं बोल रहा है, क्या मैं ऐसी तो हूँ नहीं. That comes to your brain. I take a two days pause. I am a big time meditator. I love meditating.
Wow.
I meditate. I just take pause from social media. I just meditate so that I can calm myself, because I know I am here to do something else to the world. I'm here to show a different perspective to the world. These people are not gonna provide me anything except the engagement. So I just don't care, and I just make my brain very smart and sharp ki nahi kittu, it should not affect you personally. Focus on your work, because nobody else is gonna pat me. I have to do it myself,
Absolutely.
because कोई भी तुम्हें आके हेल्प नहीं करने वाला है. बिकॉज कमेंट सेक्शन में 4 बार मेरी बहन आके लड़ लेगी, 4 बार मेरे दोस्त आके बोल देंगे. एट द एंड आई हैव टू फाइट फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड द बेस्ट वे इज जस्ट इग्नोर द हेटर्स. इफ somebody is throwing hate on you, don't entertain them, just block them, just ignore them. Because that's the best way you can answer somebody.
I told her that I think silence is the best revenge.
Answer, yeah, the best
Like,
revenge.
funny that people are putting in efforts to write in pages and
We are talking about the strangers, guys. I mean, I have
I'm not joking. I think one of our first initial videos of our podcast, someone made that YouTube account to write shit about me. I'm not joking. And when I clicked on that account, it was a day after our video was posted. He made, or she made, that account to write bad about me. And I was like, excuse me, are you like so jobless in the planet?
that people are. That's the funnier part. That people are so jobless.
And I read that at 3 a.m. He commented at 3 a.m. and I was awake. I'm like, are you like okay in this world? And I was just like, it's just too funny.
next level hate in other people's comment section also. When I've seen my community followers, if you see plus size content creators online, I've seen a lot of hate to them, कि तू pregnant है क्या, तेरा पेट इतना बाहर क्यों है, तू 9 महीने की वो है क्या. It's very bad. They go below the belt, and you just cannot comment, you cannot reply to such people.
I mean, you're just wasting your
You're
time.
just wasting your time. So mentally it's just कि यार भाड़ में जाए, अपना काम करते हैं. तू बकवास कर, व्यूज दे मुझे, मैं पैसा कमाऊंगी, सिंपल है.
Definitely.
Now, paisa kamane se, how do you work with your brands? Like, do you reach out, or how do you start working with brands, and what kind of brands?
आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू स्टार्ट. मुझे बस ये मालूम था कि सिर्फ व्यूज आने चाहिए और अपने आप ही आ जाएगा, सब कुछ अपने आप ही हो जाता है. इतना दिमाग तो था ही नहीं ना कि ये कैसे चलता है व्हेन इट कम्स टू मनी मैटर. सो आई जस्ट सॉ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गेटिंग ब्रांड पीआर्स, ये आ रहे वो आ रहे, तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है आते ही होंगे. देन सडनली डीएम्स आर flooding in my DMs also कि some brands are coming, some brands are coming. तब तो द PR स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग इन माई. इतने सारे पार्सल्स आने लग गए घर पे सब शॉक हो गए, ये क्या हो रहा है भाई, तू क्या सेलिब्रिटी बन गई है, इतने सारे पार्सल्स कैसे आ रहे हैं. तो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. एंड देन दे वर लाइक यू हैव टू मेक अ वीडियो फॉर मी. तो दैट इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड विदाउट नो ब्रेन्स, बिकॉज आई हैड नो क्रिएटर फ्रेंड और एनीबडी हू कैन गाइड मी टू हाउ द इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स. सो फॉर मी इट वॉज वेरी न्यू व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इट. तो इनिशियली वंस माई फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन वाज विद एम कैफीन. I worked with them and that was around 13,000. तो मैंने बोला यार 13,000 रुपीज मिल रहा है मुझे, वो है मेरा फर्स्ट कोलैब. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है यार, चलो ठीक है, आई विल गिव माई बेस्ट, आई विल गिव माई 100%. सो दैट इज़ हाउ आई अंडरस्टूड. मुझे तो मालूम ही नहीं था इनवॉइस भेजना पड़ता है, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. सो when they told me you have to send me the invoice, I've read so many YouTube videos, blogs सब देखे how the influencing works, and it just started gaining a lot of knowledge about it because that became real. First I was just creating content for fun and for my people. I didn't know I can earn mad ass money in this field. तो suddenly influencers के और भी messages, DMs और आने लग गए कि यार ये collaboration है, वो है. So for me pitching, I think I would say I hardly pitch to brands. 10 to 15% I pitch when I feel like यार इस महीने I have to pitch. I just feel कि यार this month has gone little low, let's pitch to brands. वरना most of the times agencies and brands directly DM me and they have my contacts. So it works out that way because I don't have to personally pitch, I feel, in certain way. इतना मैंने pitch नहीं किया है. But हाँ, emails पे replies वगैरह सब, I have a manager who does all of those things because after I think एक साल के बाद I kept a manager who can get me work and everything. So that it just became easier that way.
No, of
That's
course.
very peaceful. Also, you're a plus size model. Yeah. So, do you think the modeling industry in India is only for limited people?
It's only for limited people in today time also. Just because आपने रैम पे एक प्लस साइज लड़की को रख लिया, that doesn't mean कि तुम inclusive हो गए.
I love how you said that.
I mean, come on. आपने वो भी ये लोग, I have seen this in industry nowadays because you have a certain follower, you have a certain name, you are only called for that. ठीक है, उन्हीं लोगों को कैटेगराइज करेंगे कि यार ये 4 लोग ही है, मतलब और जो मेहनत करा वो दिखेगा ही नहीं उन लोगों को. ये भी मैंने, ये एल्गोरिदम पता नहीं कैसा है, ब्रांडिंग में कैसे चलता है.
Oh, to be walk the ramp.
Correct.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
also a
I
huge
know.
journey, you know,
Yeah.
because I have seen the struggle because once there was a point where I wanted to be on the ramp and I tried कि यार मैं कैसे I reach there and everything, but you know you have to pay money to walk on the ramp.
What?
Just because you're a plus size.
What?
And I'm like crazy.
The hell?
I didn't
And
know
I don't
that.
want to take the names of it, but people actually pay.
It should be the other way
Other way
around.
around.
Why is it celebrated that you're on the ramp then?
Correct. Why would I pay somebody कि आप मुझे रैम पे लो? तो कहाँ है आपकी inclusivity? And be either any big designer you see, I mean, maybe I might be wrong, but as per my knowledge, as per what I have seen on the internet, I've only seen 2 or 3 models on the ramp being the
Yeah,
plus
for
size.
sure.
Definitely.
I
So
mean,
where
there's
is the
a whole
inclusivity we are
lineup,
talking
yeah.
about? Where is the plus size? मतलब क्या the modeling agencies, the modeling industry going forward? Because I don't see the growth being in the plus size marketing. because लोग are very happy. Some creators are like, at least plus size लोगों को stage तो मिला. सिर्फ तुम लोगों को ही मिला. It's not vast. There are a lot of other confident women out there. If you see, they are waiting for the opportunity. They are waiting for them to just shine. But you guys are just very limited. So when it comes to the modeling industry, I feel it's very limited. And the money flow, the जो deals होती है, it's very different for a normal figure and for a plus size figure. It's extremely different. Yeah, it's
What's the difference we are talking about? Like the
just
money.
like how I said, the plus size model had to pay herself just to be on the ramp. because I have experienced it myself. Somebody has told me that अगर मैम आपको रैंप पे चलना है तो आप एक काम कीजिए 1 लाख रुपए मुझे दे दीजिए 1 लाख rupees you can pay me and you'll be on the ramp. We'll select
But
you."
isn't that disgusting?
It
Like
is
you're
extremely disgusting because
openly
I'm just
telling,
yeah
like you cannot fit in this industry
yeah
at all.
yeah, that is what they wanted to tell me, and I was like, you know what, I just don't want to be on the ramp.
Yeah, of course not.
Yeah, I just don't want
Because
to
I feel like I was recently watching another, like I was listening to something, I don't remember, where one of the actors said something like, there's a lot of caste typing, is that the word?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, caste typing happens even in the film industry. मतलब आपके आंखें छोटे हैं, आपके eyebrows कम हैं, आपका you have curly boys having curly hair is not that great of a deal. And
Caste
discrimination happening in base of everything, because I feel like people have that one sketch
Correct.
for females, one sketch for males,
Yeah,
and
and they want them to be fitting in that
they should
particular
just
category.
be that one Lego piece that
Yeah,
fits in.
परफेक्ट आ जाए, बस यही चाहिए हमको. तो अगर आपका मैम अगर आंखें थोड़ी सी ऊपर है तो यार आपको तो सेलेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. I just
Nose,
I
lips,
think
dant, hair.
The funny thing is, even if you don't match, they'll give you a role that actually matches the vibe. Like
Correct.
not the main
side role, Baba, the side role, yeah.
and they'll make you feel so inferior.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
my god, like this is just horrible.
I don't want to, I as a model, I was once called somewhere. I just don't want to take the name, but there, when I went, I was the only plus size person, and I felt extremely weird. First, they told me that it's a very big brand shoot. You have to do a dance and everything. Come for the rehearsals in Yashraj Studios and everything. We went to Yashraj Studios. We did a lot of shoot, everything, and when the stage comes, I'm literally the back dancer. I
What?
didn't even
Then
know.
why did they call you?
Call you.
Correct. Because there were other models who are a perfect figure. They were standing
Perfect
the
figure.
perfect figure,
Yeah.
the not the plus size, or we don't fit in the perfect world
Yeah.
because we are plus size. So that just hit me so hard. Ki that is so bad. You told me lie from the beginning, just so that you can have an exclusive person with you, and you didn't even keep the exclusive person out there. Matlab, you literally had a zero brain sort of a thing, because I come from a fashion background. That guy was also from a fashion background, but it was extremely bad experience. I just went back home crying. Ki this happened with me. He just sidelined me just because I'm fat. And then where is the inclusivity we are talking about? Because I don't see the inclusivity coming too high, because आप रैम्प पे 4 मॉडल्स या 2 मॉडल्स को प्लस साइज रख लेते हो, so that लोग आपको अब कुछ नहीं बोले, because the plus size industry is growing now. So just for that they have just started keeping कि चलो ठीक है 2 मॉडल्स रख ही लेते हैं, 2
increases
कपड़े तो
the-
बना ही लेते हैं, 2 प्लस साइज डिजाइनर. मतलब if you go to any designer store, maybe Kalki, let's do Kalki, अगर आप चले गए, the fat tax.
Yeah.
There's a term called fat tax. Yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a term called fat tax. So if I am a plus size person, जो लहंगा उस लड़की को 2 लाख में जाएगा, मुझे 2,50,000 में बेचेगी वो.
What they tell, material ज़्यादा लग रहा है ना उस पे. I actually saw a reel about this.
50,000.
Yeah.
I actually saw a reel about this. I'm not joking.
And as of
But why are you okay? Fine. Okay, let's just assume ठीक है. Extra material के लिए तुम ले. Why are you naming
yeah,
it something?
correct, because that's the term fat tax. It's for fat people, so that you can sideline. You can just create a different category that okay, you don't fit in the normal world. You're a different person. So that वो automatically वो weird feeling आ जाती है कि why are they keeping me away? Why are they treating me differently? Because I've seen a lot of women's who are getting married DMing me saying that we have experienced such shit in this store, in that store, and it's extremely bad. The kind of body shaming they do on the stores, it's extremely bad. You won't believe, I went with my friend recently, and I was like, I want to buy this lehenga. So will this be 3 lakh rupees or will it be more? So she was like, ma'am, according to your body, and she saw me like this. According to your body, ma'am, I think it will be around 4 lakh rupees, because your bust is too big. And that just made me so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But I was like, I need to take a pause. how can I get myself insulted and just walk away?
Exactly.
Let's fight for ourselves. Let's say, shut up.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
You are here doing your sales. I'm your customer. आप चाहे 4 लाख लो, 5 लाख लो, there's a way how you talk to your
Absolutely.
customers. And it's so pathetic that you work with such a big brand and your thinking and the way your attitude is so negative, so bad.
Yeah, no, for sure. I feel like I said, I feel like ठीक है, मटेरियल ज्यादा लगता है, कम लगता है, खर्चे हो रहे तुम्हारे, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है,
Same.
तो मैं भी दूंगी बिकॉज मेरे को वो खरीदना है. But why are you sidelining people?
Why are you categorizing it in different level? Why? Correct.
A bride is coming, for example, if a bride is coming, now उसको वो लहंगा खरीदना ही है.
Correct.
So now you will tell, because you're a fat bride, you will get an expensive. So why are you calling her fat, or why are you calling her extremely
Why
thin?
to body shame someone? You can just be normal how you are with the other person.
You don't have to say कि normal price ये आपका price है. आप directly वो price बोल दो ना कि आपके लिए इतना लगेगा.
Correct.
And I think it was very good that you took a stand for yourself, because I think one time I was going to her house and an auto wale bhaiya fat shamed me. I'm not joking. He literally told me आपको gym जाना चाहिए. I'm like, out of nowhere.
Correct.
I'm like, excuse me, and I just laughed, and she shouted at me. She's like, why have you laughed? And which makes sense now.
Yeah, because that is how we think that chalo theek hai, we can just ignore the conversation or we can just stop it there. Because I have heard this from a lot of people. कोई और तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ाए, इससे अच्छा तुम खुद ही अपना मजाक उड़ा लो. मैं क्यों उड़ाऊं मेरा मजाक? मैं मजाक हूँ क्या? I have a standard, dude. I am a person with respect. Why would somebody? You won't believe, I was going for my brother's wedding in a train, because last moment mein I had to travel in a train. 2 days journey, okay. There was this one guy. I was in an RAC because वो ticket confirm नहीं हुआ था, and I was sitting there. I am randomly just doing my shit. I am in my own world. I am just focused on my designs. I was sketching that time. That guy comes to me and saying like, आप ना इलायची का पानी पिया करो. I'm like, what? क्या? I just, and I have to stay with that guy for 2 days. And I am just so pathetic. I was so paranoid with that comment. He's like, आप है ना इलायची का पानी पिया करो, गर्म पानी के साथ नींबू भी डाल के पिया करो, आपका वजन 2 सेकंड में. Nowadays I don't take shit. मैंने आपसे पूछा क्या अंकल? आप अपना काम करो ना. He got very ego. उसका ego boost हो गया उधर कि यार how dare she tell me like that. I was like, I didn't ask you for a this thing advice.
Yeah, of course.
Do not advise me on my weight. And the best way I tell any girl, I tell, जब तुमको कोई body shame करता है, मुझे पतला नहीं होना. I don't want to reduce my weight. I love myself the way I am. Did I ask you for the advice? No. Who are you to give me the advice?
Absolutely. And I feel like people, if they want to, whatever body type anyone, see, there are a lot of people who can have health issues related to their body. Okay. So when you put them down, it reminds them that there's a reason why they are feeling a certain way.
We already have कि यार ये तो weak है.
हाँ.
ऐसा
And I
नहीं
don't
कि
like
mind
it.
is
And
working out.
And I'm not only saying just for plus size bodies, I'm also saying for people who are extremely thin. जिसका metabolism इतना high होता है that they cannot gain weight.
I think people
उनको
are
वो लोग
never
बोलते,
happy.
उनको बॉडी शेम करते हैं, प्लस साइज को बॉडी शेम करते हैं. अगर जो नॉर्मल होगा ना, उसमें भी 1-2 चीज मिल जाएगी. उनका आंख, उनका नाक, उनका फिंगर्स, उनका something or the other you will find in a woman or in a human being to put them down. And I just feel like that's just very unfair, because a lot of people don't have it in their hand. Now, for example, if there's a dark shaded person,
Correct.
it is genetics.
Correct.
You cannot change an entire shade card of a woman or a man
Correct.
I think
in any way.
yeah.
That's true. But people always, you meet somebody, it's always about the appearance. It's never about the personality, about
Never.
the
And
character.
it's so sad because
Yeah, the world
how
works
on
that way.
earth are you going to change something that's genetic?
Correct.
A lot of people have a certain body type because of their genetics.
Correct.
Now अब एक्सरसाइज करके ठीक है, मैं 19-20 कर सकती हूँ और बहुत लोग करते भी है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस व्हाई सम पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू डू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
Correct.
I just don't think that should be hold on to against them.
True that.
And it's just everyone has their own personality. Now someone can be short. Now you can taunt them their entire life you're short. Will they become tall?
Yeah, I hate
उनको
it.
कॉम्प्लान पिला लो, उनको ये पिला लो, उनको वो पिला लो, लंबे नहीं होने वाले
I'll
वो
tell you
लोग.
what a stereotype in this is. They'll only say short to guys, not to girls, like that much. What
Yeah,
I've seen, and that's
because
very bad.
average women height is short.
Short.
Yeah, this is
according to them. और अगर tall हो जाती है तो tall people get shamed a lot. I've
Yeah,
seen
what
that.
I'm saying. Like, what do you want?
बिकॉज वहाँ पे हो जाएगा ना लड़का कैसे मिलेगा ना, अरे भाई मेरे हाथ में थोड़ी ना था लंबा होना छोटा होना.
That is what मेरे को यही तो बोल के बड़ा किया है ना कि बेटा थोड़ा वजन कम कर लो, कोई शादी नहीं करेगा आपसे. मोटी लड़कियों को कोई घर लेके जाना चाहता है, तुम कभी प्रेग्नेंट नहीं हो पाओगी. द वर्स्ट कॉमेंट आई हर्ड फ्रॉम माई रिलेटिव्स की तू कभी माँ नहीं बन पाएगी जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर फैट. आई वाज लाइक हाउ डज इट इवन मैटर? आई वर्क आउट, आई ईट क्लीन. It's about the body. It's about inside health, not outside.
Absolutely.
Because I've seen a lot of healthy women's getting pregnant. It's about the health. It's about what you eat.
It's a horrible way of putting someone down in that way, because you're shooting a person down when you know that person is down about it.
Believe my own Masi told me once कि तू ना दुल्हन के कपड़ों में भैंस लगेगी.
I hate that.
And I just
How do you deal with it when it's your family?
I answer them back. कभी खुद को देखा है? Because sometimes it's not about ignoring. कभी कभी कुछ लोगों को उनकी औकात दिखानी पड़ती है कि this is where you stand, this is how your class is. Sometimes you have to lower your class and speak to them in their class so that they understand that how hurtful it is to listen all this. When I said her कि अभी तेरी बेटी की शादी होगी ना, तब तेरी बेटी भी वैसी ही लगेगी, पतली है ना बहुत, क्या करे, खिलाना उसको थोड़ा अच्छे से. शी गॉट सो हर्ट. उसको बहुत, उसका ईगो इतना हर्ट हो गया कि मेरी बेटी तो पतली है, हाउ डेयर यू टॉक अबाउट हर, शी इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. आई वाज लाइक हाउ कैन यू टेल समबडी अनब्यूटीफुल?
Yeah, like I just don't understand.
And with families you cannot fight enough because the battle is never ending.
It's never ending. People will always have something to say. Absolutely.
जब तक इग्नोर कर सकते हो करो, जब नहीं कर सकते तो
See, when you're like
The
younger
issue is
than
you can't cut them off essay. Especially in a country like India, cutting off relatives is like the biggest issue.
अपने रिलेटिव्स को कुछ मत बोल, तू जुबान मत लड़ा. आई हैव हर्ड दिस ओनली. तू चुप रहे.
चुप रहे तो this sentence तो I want
I'm a
to,
rebel in my house.
I am becoming into one. I'm just,
first stage right now.
yeah, me too. Like I'm just like this.
You're second.
तू चुप रहे, तू चुप रहे is not working out with me. अगर मेरे को कुछ गलत, देखो आपको नहीं बोलना है, वो आपकी मर्जी, आप वो चूज कर रहे हो, आप
You've chosen that life for
and you
yourself.
will, honestly you
Yeah.
you feel like that's right for you, and I'm not going to fight you for that. आपके लिए वो सही है, आप please करो. I just don't think it's right for me in that situation.
True.
I am someone who will speak up. If I'm not, I know when to be quiet also. It's not कि मैं हर जगह जाके झंडे गाड़ूं, मतलब हर जगह, I don't want to fight every time.
Don't fight. Stereotype कैसे रुकेगा?
Exactly.
When
My
will our
point-
generation, our
It is
child
a whole,
generation grow?
it is a
It's a cycle, right?
Yeah.
And I
So,
think if we
at
don't,
some, I'm not saying, like I said, I'm not saying ki everything I'm going to fight about. But some things I am not going to stay quiet and sit in the corner. Like, even as women, like when, sentences like, what if your in-laws allow you to do this? I will not agree.
What is the allow word? Why is the allow word?
I can't, I can talk about this for hours if you let me.
Adjust कर लो, allow. तुम क्यों compromise? Why should I do everything?
With it, okay? I'm okay. But to an extent, where there is, दोनों जगह से चीजें हो रही है ना?
Be from both ways.
And it should be from love, I think. It shouldn't. This is a conversation I have every day.
I think
It's a thing that should come from love.
Correct.
I feel like compromise, adjust, I will do everything. But it should come out of love, not out of compulsion.
Yeah. Force नहीं करना चाहिए. Correct.
feel if we don't take a stand right now, our future generations
Will suffer.
actually suffer because the constant hate, listening,
Yeah.
trolling, bullying, it will not stop. But
Correct.
if we take a stand, because obviously we're like the Gen Zs,
Correct.
so we have to change for ourselves. And also, I feel nowadays people don't understand what they're saying, because I have seen like a lot of doctors commenting on my face that I drink alcohol. I'm literally in the best phase of my life with my workout and everything, and they have told जो लोग दारू पीते हैं उनका face ऐसा होता है.
This is so bad.
And I'm like,
I mean, there is no logic only, यार.
So I'm not, the funny one is just so funny, like,
कभी-कभी तो ना when somebody comments, no हंसी आ जाती है, पता है.
I actually laughed. I'm like, okay, fine. So I'm an alcoholic now. With this face, I'm
Yeah,
an alcoholic.
thank you, bro. Thank you.
and the issue is you're going to doctors, okay? Now they are educated. Educated. And how are you coming up with such things? Like now recently I had also gone to a doctor, but this is not related to body shaming, this is related to, you're a woman. ओके तो फर्स्ट ही सेड 25 के पहले शादी करा दो नहीं तो लड़कियों की सींग उग जाते हैं एंड आई एम जस्ट
What is that?
like horns you know like
खुल
you
जाती है लड़कियां, फ्री हो जाती है.
become rebellious you can talk more openly and
You can start taking stand, then you don't compromise, no? तो इसीलिए पहले शादी कर लो.
the issue was I couldn't speak much with that doctor because
फैमिली डॉक्टर होगा.
family doctor था and he was also 85 90
तो फिर
अब
क्या
इनको
expect
मैं
करते
क्या
हैं?
ही समझाऊं बैठ के कि मतलब
कुछ लोगों के साथ सर नहीं खपा सकते.
मतलब he is 85 90 उनको explain करके भी there is no it is like I'm banging a head you know like my head to the wall I'm like this is pointless I was just looking at him like and this was his first statement of the conversation I knew 40 minutes what is going to happen with me and my cousin was here she has a big tattoo here
Oh yeah.
and then she's look and he said ये क्या है she said tattoo निकाल दो and I'm just like अभी इतना pain
Yeah, I'm
और
not
पैसा दिया।
joking.
yeah she said in-laws और husband को अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो then
अरे तो सारी दुनिया इन-लॉज और हस्बैंड ही है क्या? मेरी लाइफ नहीं है क्या शादी के
I
बाद?
couldn't we're both looking at each other because we knew she's a lawyer and I am a self-made lawyer मतलब लड़कियों के लिए तो मेरे को लगता है मैं लॉ लड़
I
सकती
love how she said that.
so this so like we knew this was going to be a tour and my grandfather was there and he knew this is boiling my blood and he's coming he's like sorry थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोलता I said थोड़ा
Yeah, imagine
So,
going to a
yeah,
doctor to get fixed, but you are more mentally
like
drained
my
after that.
granddad didn't speak a word because he knew this is all things that piss me off till it's like so he didn't say like he's spoken alone then he's gone and my granddad knew I'm mad pissed he said sorry थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोलता है I said दादू थोड़ा नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही ज़्यादा बोलता है I'm like bro I have no interest like he just thought that he is the best person on his planet and he had pride in very weird things with relation to women and his daughter and everything which I don't think is right like आपने क्या बड़ा बात कर लिया कि आपकी बेटी रो रही है और आप उसको शादी करवा रहे हो इसमें आपको मैं अवार्ड दूं
They feel very proud because उनका मेल ईगो बहुत satisfy हो जाता है with
कि मेरी
all
बेटी मेरे से इतना प्यार करती है कि वो मेरा बात सुननी अच्छी बात है और वो लड़की को पढ़ना था आप उसको बोल रहे हो कि नहीं शादी के बाद अगर अलाउ मिलेगा तो कर लेना फिर तुम्हारे बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो उसको पाल पोस के इसमें क्या बड़ा बात कर लिया आपने
क्योंकि वो झुक गई ना, उसने उनकी सुन ली. She stopped living
this
her
is the
life.
issue I feel like now women
Started taking stand for themselves.
have started taking stand now being a woman only is so much of a pressure you come with so much constraints so much obstruction so much issues now उसमें तुम एक एक प्रॉब्लम और ऐड कर लो जो सोसाइटी को पसंद नहीं है मतलब it is like fighting a never ending war but I think now our generation
It's never ending. No matter which generation you go through, I'm telling you, it's a never ending process. It's about you training yourself.
yeah
It's about, I think the world is not going to change. You need to change yourself and you need to be a better person and you need to, the
Make
next
sure your generation is
a better
better.
person. Yeah.
Is there any specific message you pass on to your audience so that, you know, they're like strong women, something?
I always tell only one thing, don't listen to bullshit. कान बंद कर लो अपने, है ही नहीं. जैसे होता है ना आंखें बंद कान बंद, the three बंदर. Do that because at the end, do what makes you feel happy. Don't listen to the world because nobody's gonna write your story. You're gonna write your own journey, your own story. You are the hero, you are the villain. Everything is you. You need to build yourself enough strong कि चाहे आपके सामने family आए, relatives आए, कोई बाहर वाला आ जाए, you can take stand for yourself. And the confidence you should always have in yourself is
now I was just saying confidence always from within than outward appearance
Yeah, and also adding to that, I feel I read this one quote or something like day before, like, you know, people, when you die, people will not remember your FAT or THIN. They'll remember how kind you are. So if you're being shitty to me and, you know, they're no more, I'll remember, oh my god, you know, he was so mean
Correct.
to me.
like yeah
I would not remember, oh my god, he was fair, he was dark, he was
absolutely
FAT.
not
And that I think people need to understand this right now. And I also say this one word: if you don't have anything good to say,
Say
don't
nothing
say
at all.
nothing at all.
yeah because I feel like see every human has an insecurity I don't think
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's built with zero insecurities. Everybody has a way of showing themselves outside, but वो अंदर अपने battles लड़ रहे हैं. Every human is fighting their own battles. And the funny part is these humans are also the ones who are putting other humans down. Which is why people don't realize that I really believe in karma.
Same.
So I'm
I
like, bhai,
believe.
agar dekho
That is
you
why I say don't say at all. Just bow your head
Yeah.
down and just keep going on. Just
Yeah.
work. Do your shit. Do your work. Do
do
not
things you
respond to
like. I
people.
just feel like intention should be clear. Intention should be good. If everything of those
You should just not hurt somebody. You should just be kind.
your words shouldn't intentionally hurt. Unintentionally, if you realize it, please apologize and try to clear your things out there. But intentionally, I think everything should be very right in your sense. Because, like she said, people will not remember people who hurt or bad people. Like bad in terms of became, because I don't believe that people are born in a bad way.
No,
अब
I'll tell
सबके
you an
कोई कोई
example,
problems
like,
होते
people
होंगे.
remember Hitler by he was a bad. I don't know how he was, but nobody will remember his mustache was this much. Like it's a
Correct. The
valid
appearance is
fact.
never there. It's about the
Yeah.
nature. It's
Yeah, the
about the.
value
Why are you
he's the
even
Hitler.
buying it
Yeah.
right now? That's my point.
Yeah.
Also, how do you deal with bad days? I mean, I'm not talking about social media or anything bad. How do you deal with
Generally bad days.
bad days with yourself?
I meditate. So I have joined Art of Living long back.
My dad does that.
Oh wow, yeah. So I think that's the best way a person can, just relax. And it's very important that I take silence. I go on a silence journey for 2 to 3 days. I don't speak. I
So,
just
Like not at
no
all.
मौन व्रत जैसे मौन व्रत बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में मौन व्रत. I don't speak.
I don't think I.
Even I don't think I can do that. Imagine we're talking.
That is the best way because you won't believe when I started this year. So मेरे लिए भी difficult था. First when I पहले I used to cry a lot. How I handle my bad days by crying. पहले my days used to be like I used to cry a lot. I used to lock myself in a room. I didn't know how to process. ये emotions क्यों आ रहे हैं? How do I handle these emotions? I had no idea. But then when I started Art of Living, when I did that happiness program, I understood कि यार life is way beyond what I am seeing. It's a very different world. It's a very different world. And this time when the youth program happened in Art of Living, I did the advanced program for 4 days. 3 दिन मौन व्रत. उन्होंने खुला बोला किसी से बात करने का जरूरत नहीं है. कोई मुंह के सामने आ भी रहा है तो इग्नोर करके चले जाओ. थिंक बी सेल्फिश. इट्स अबाउट योर टाइम. इट्स अबाउट योर एंड नो फोन्स, no listening to music, no pictures clicking, nothing. It's just you yourself. Do the seva, do the meditation, full day meditation. Imagine the kind of relief you used to get. मेडिटेशन करो, सेवा करो, जाके सो जाओ. मेडिटेशन करो, सेवा करो, जाके सो जाओ. And the journey, you meet so many people there. You are not speaking.
But
And
still
you
connecting.
still connecting and you see a lot of other things around you कि how the world is working. जिस world से मैं आती हूँ ये तो पूरी दुनिया अलग ही है यार. So that is how I understood कि नहीं, this is the correct way I can take my life ahead. Whenever I'm having bad days, I go on silence. I take myself pause. I don't want to talk to anybody, be either my boyfriend, be either my mother, my father, anybody. I just don't want to talk to anybody. I just go silent. I just want to be relaxed because that is how you can open your brain. You can think positively because I am very positive person in life. I think because of my meditation only, मेरे अंदर डर ज़्यादा नहीं है. मेरे अंदर fears और insecurities इतनी नहीं है जितनी पहले थी when I was in my college life. Because me being a college student, me शुरुआत से from the childhood I've listened the body shaming, the hate, the trolls. It's not about the social media, मेरे को पहले से ही ये सारी चीज़ें मिल रही थी लाइफ में. तो सोशल मीडिया आने के बाद कुछ नया नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ क्योंकि मुझे मालूम ही था. पहले घर वाले रिलेटिव्स बोलते थे, अब बाहर वाले बोलने लग गए. तो सेम थिंग. इट्स अबाउट हाउ यू मेंटली प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ. एंड मैंने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया खुद को कि आई कैन नॉट ब्रेक. अब तो मुझे कितना भी गाली दे दो, कितना भी कुछ बोल दो ना, मैं टूटूंगी नहीं. I've made myself so strong and it's only because of meditation. तुम्हारे जो चक्रास होते हैं ना, that opens. And when you can feel your chakras, you don't care about the world, what the world is trying to tell you. You just do Sudarshan Kriya, you just be on your own world and you're sorted for the day. And you won't believe, the day you get up and do meditation, तुम्हारा दिन ही अलग जाता है यार. The way you wake up early, because that 4 days taught me a lot what actual life is. Waking up at 4 o'clock. जो बंदी 10 बजे नहीं उठती वो 4 बजे उठ रही है, पहाड़ चढ़ रही है, आश्रम जा रही है. It's a different journey altogether and not talking to anybody. मतलब तुम चम्मच की भी आवाज़ आ रही है वहाँ पे आश्रम में, इतना साइलेंस है. एंड रोज़ रात को सत्संग. मतलब बीइंग अ जेन ज़ी, बिकॉज आई थिंक people have taken very wrong perspective about Gen Zs. I just want to say Gen Zs are very hardworking. Gen Zs are more knowledgeable, more capable enough to do certain things, are very, very hardworking. So do not judge the Gen Zs just because कुछ लोग वेले बैठे हैं या कुछ लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, because I think
I agree with you fully, hardworking, but I also think Gen Z is the only generation that keep the will and power to do more than one thing.
correct,
To
They
have
are
more than one
multitaskers,
income,
yeah.
to have,
Correct.
to know how to focus on balancing your health, your career, where you have more than one income, your relationships, and still have a personal life where you want to actually mentally also take care of yourself.
Yeah.
I don't see other generations do that. Whether it's because see, alpha is someone we can help grow in a certain way, but right now they're also in their phase कि मतलब alphas इतने छोटे बच्चे बहुत जल्दी ही they're into phone. I feel like we're very lucky where we
Yeah, we had a
got to
balance
get
of
a
both,
device
no?
devices very late in life. We got to understand what the real childhood means, and the other half where without devices you can't exist. दोनों का I think we get a very fair share. So I think as a generation, I feel like we're very extremely
And
lucky.
also, it also happens when your family is also supportive.
Yeah.
The kind of person, the kindness comes in you is about the way your family is treated. परवरिश जो परवरिश होती है बेसिकली, जैसी तुम्हारी परवरिश है, जो तुम्हारी नींव है, अगर तुम्हारी नींव अच्छी है तो सब अच्छा होगा. My dad was always a confident person. He always told me whenever I want to do something in life, no, he tells me one thing. तुझे वो कुआं दिख रहा है, जा कूद जा, तू रास्ता अपना निकाल लेगी, तू वापस भी आ जाएगी. नहीं आ पाई, तेरा बाप खड़ा है, मैं निकाल लूंगा. तुझे क्या टेंशन है, मैं हूं ना. दिख रहा है देयर इज अ रिस्क, गो टेक दैट रिस्क. हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो भी ठीक है. इट्स लाइफ, इट्स
At least
पार्ट
you
ऑफ लाइफ.
tried.
एटलीस्ट आई ट्राइड. ही ऑलवेज टोल्ड मी, दिख रहा है कूद जा, रिस्क लोगे तो आगे बढ़ोगे. अगर रिस्क ही नहीं लोगे लाइफ में तो तुम क्या करोगे? फिर घर पे बैठ के बस टीवी देखते रहना लोगों की तरह. तुम कुछ अलग नहीं कर पाओगे लाइफ में. सो that has always stayed with me, what my dad said, कि take the risk.
Yeah, life cannot be a straight line.
It is always like this. And what he tells me, you have to take the risk. So he was a business person. Everybody, मारवाड़ी में तो business वाले ही होते सारे के सारे. Everybody comes from a business mindset. तो मेरा भी ये mindset ही था कि यार I don't want to, you know, कि मैं भी business ही खोलूंगी at the end जाके. तो I had a very good support since from the beginning. The नींव जो मेरी थी कि बेटा किसी का सुनना नहीं, किसी का करना नहीं. When my mother used to body shame me also, my father used to be like, मेरी बेटी को कुछ मत बोल. There should always be that one person who's taking stand for you, or at least in the beginning times, you know, so that you can stand for
Keep you
yourself.
motivated.
To keep you motivated. And I think that's the thing only fathers can do.
I cannot like
Agree more.
yeah, like it's literally the same. Like I think in between I was getting body shamed a little bit. Like I would call my dad, I'll show my body. She's like, you're my heroine. Like he literally treats me like not less than Madhuri Dixit. So thanks, Dad. But yeah, it's really sweet. I think
Yeah.
one person is enough to help you, and you know it'll be like a guardian to like take you to the
Take you to the up. He'll show you the real world, you know, okay, yeah. Because if you see Mama ki and Papa ki journey, she had lived a very different life. He has lived a very different life because, correct, because the generation us time pe was very different for women and for men. But for my parents to grow us together in a certain way was very different. And when I had the body shaming also, I had a support system. So I cannot ignore that also कि यार नहीं थे ये. You know, because my sister is a very negative person when it comes. She's always very drained because I think the energies are always like this. If I am too confident, she's a little low confident person. So for her, for me to explain her, to motivate her, it takes a lot of time to show her the different world, because I think everybody's personalities are very different in.
Absolutely.
तो you know, उसको समझाने के लिए भी मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है कि नहीं, you can do it, because now it's been almost like 4 years I lost my father, and उनके जाने के बाद we saw a very different world. The world is very different. The world is extremely mean. पापा थे तब तक तो मालूम ही नहीं था कि what the world is, because he was there to protect me, right? He told me to take the risk. I took the risk. Everything I've done. When I lost my dad, the very first thing my uncle came and told me was, Instagram delete कर दे. अब तो ऐसे नंगे नंगे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकती है, तेरी शादी नहीं होगी, समाज में लोग क्या बोलेंगे. I was at a position where I've lost everything in my life. He's coming and telling me कि तू इंस्टाग्राम बंद कर दे. अच्छा, मैंने बोला तू कमा के देगा क्या मेरे को? दे दे महीने का 2 लाख रुपए मुझे, फिर 2-3 लाख रुपए आप मुझे दे देना, मैं इंस्टाग्राम डिलीट कर दूंगी. अरे नो, इट्स ऑल राइट. तो इट हैपेंस. तो आई टोल्ड हिम, यू गिव मी 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month, I'll delete my Instagram.
Valid.
I've given the message to the world any which ways. I wanted the girls to feel confident. कॉलेज से ही, स्कूल से ही, जो बच्चियाँ छोटी है वो मुझे देख के कुछ सीखे. मेरा यही गोल है एट द एंड, कि जब कोई मुझे देखे तो बोले कि यार क्या कॉन्फिडेंट बंदी है यार, क्या कपड़े पहने. एंड आई हैव गॉट दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट एवरी टाइम आई हैव गॉन आउट.
And these compliments are coming from people who are actually
Correct.
confident in their own,
own.
secure in their
हाँ.
own.
That's how they give the confidence.
Yeah, I don't
to
think
other
people can give
And
confidence when they're
this
not
comment
secure.
when I heard from my uncle, he's like, अगर तूने Instagram delete नहीं किया, मैं तुझे बेटी नहीं मानूंगा. मत मान. मैं मर रही हूँ क्या तेरी बेटी बनने के लिए? मुझे नहीं चाहिए दूसरा बाप. वो एक ही काफी था. आप उसके जैसे बन भी नहीं पाओगे कभी लाइफ में. जो वो है आप कभी बन ही नहीं पाओगे. एंड यू कैन नेवर टेक माई डैड स्पेस. नो बडी कैन. बट द एक्चुअल वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट कॉमेंट आई हैव सीन सो मेनी रिलेटिव्स कमिंग टू मी एंड टेलिंग इंस्टाग्राम डिलीट करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम. आई नेवर स्टॉप्ड, यू नो. नो, आई टोल्ड माई मदर 4 दिन और रोले तू चाहे, मैं बंद नहीं करूंगी मेरा काम.
And this is your rosy roti, bro. Like, why will you stop?
Why will I stop? And at the end, यार, come on. अब हमारा है कौन? I have to do, because now I'm the pillar of my family. I have to raise my sisters. I have 2 sisters, not one. I have 2 sisters. One is extremely weak. One is like me. She's going through the same body shaming. Same, yeah, the youngest sister. And it's so bad when I see my mother, and now I take stand for my sister. Ki no, you're not gonna do what you did to her.
Yeah.
You can do that.
You can't treat her that way. उसको खाना है वो खाएगी, उसको करना है वो करेगी. उसका मन करेगा वो पतली हो जाएगी, उसका मन नहीं करेगा वो नहीं होगी. आप उसको फोर्स मत करो. नाउ आई टेक स्टैंड फॉर हर कि यार नो, यू कैन नॉट ट्रीट माई गोलू लाइक दिस. शी इज़ अ गोलू मोलू. शी इज़ ऑलवेज गोना बी अ गोलू मोलू ऑफ मी. आप उसको कुछ मत बोलो, बिकॉज नाउ आई नीड टू बी वॉट माई फादर वॉज.
Absolutely.
So it's a very different world, you know, the world, the way people treat you just because you're fat. It's extremely bad. And touch wood, I have a very great partner. I must say he's a blessing in my life. The very best thing my friend has done is मुझे उससे मिला के. Trust me on that. He's such a good person, such a kind hearted, such a sweetheart. अगर वो मेरे साथ नहीं होता तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैं ये सब कुछ भी कर पाती, you know, because at the end you need that one support.
It's not that you want it, it's that you don't know that you need that. And then when you get it, you're just like, yeah, it just gets better. When you know
It
that
gets
person.
better. He was there for my family, and उस phase में when I saw the world, the actual world is very cruel, यार. And your relatives, your people are not yours. Nobody is yours.
And I feel like a lot of people are only going to be there only because they want to remove that one nooks in your life. मतलब वो लोग they're not there to praise.
Bothered only कि यार ये बंदी मेहनत करके सब कुछ कर रही है इंस्टाग्राम पे, या इतनी लेवल तक पहुंची है. अरे कैसे, ये कैसे कर रही है?
And the problem is jealousy.
ये कुर्ती पहन के क्यों नहीं बैठी है? बाय द वे, उनका ये पर्सपेक्टिव है कि तू मेरी बेटी नहीं बन सकती just because you're not wearing a kurti. I don't want to be your बेटी भाई.
You don't wear, you do wear, but that they don't see.
Correct. They only see the bikini what I wore in Goa, where I'm only with my friends. You wear bikini with the people you're comfortable with.
Definitely.
You're not, yeah.
You know what? मैं बीच जाऊंगी, if there is a beach, I know मैं बिकिनी ही पहनूंगी, because that place is meant for that. अब मैं चेन्नई के बीच में जाके तो बिकिनी नहीं पहन सकती ना, मुझे पता वहाँ पे वो क्राउड ही नहीं है. This common sense तो every woman has. Why do people think that women are dumb कि वो कभी भी कुछ भी पहन लेगी? अब मैं मेरी शादी में बिकिनी पहन के थोड़ी फिरूंगी.
और मैं डिफरेंस बताऊं, अब ये चेन्नई के बीच में there will be men who are roaming shirtless.
करेक्ट, वो दिखेगा.
There will be men.
उनका वो सब चलता है, ठीक है. अरे वो तो फैशन है, because that is normal, right? We have normalized so much कि men's can be shirtless, pantless, everything, but a woman can be pantless, तो मतलब she is a slut. वो तो पूरा shame कर ही देते हैं. That is how the world works. When my father also passed away, I've heard so much hate कि तू गंदी है, तू तो इतने लड़कों के साथ सोई है, ये है, तू इतनी घटिया है. I've heard and that too not from the outside people, it's from the family. And I used to miss my father so much कि आज अगर मेरे डैड होते इनकी हेकड़ी निकाल देते कि मेरी बेटी को कुछ बोलो मत. आज वो बेटी वाला नहीं है ना, so I understand कि what a father is in somebody's life. Whenever I see a girl disrespecting his father, I cry so much कि you have no fucking idea how lucky you are to have somebody who's doing so much for you. Respect what you have. Because I've seen our generation or anybody, जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ होती है ना, हम उसकी कदर नहीं करते हैं. जब वो चीज़ चली जाती है ना, यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि यार आई हैड अ हीरा विथ मी. व्हेन आई लॉस्ट माई हीरा, नो, I lost everything. Today, whenever I do something in life, no, I don't see a purpose. My purpose is finished. There is no purpose to it. लड़की का क्या सपना होता है, यार पापा ने मेरे लिए इतना किया है, उनके लिए एक कुछ तो करना है लाइफ में. When you earn something, at the end you want to give it to your mother or your father. अब जब वो इंसान ही नहीं है, वो कमाई किस काम की? There is nothing with me now. Even if I earn 3 lakh, 4 lakhs or 10 lakhs, जिसको मुझे देना था वो तो है ही नहीं. मेरे पापा को तो मम्मी देती ही, तो मतलब पापा को तो मम्मी देते ही हैं, बट आई वांटेड टू डू फॉर दैट पर्सन. ही वाज एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. एंड आज टुडे व्हेन आई डोंट हैव अ फादर, it's extremely bad. And the world is very cruel, I would say. I saw the real world, and you won't believe, jab I had my business already, Rojan ki label. I opened my business when my dad was there because he was forcing me so much. तूने business कर, तूने fashion designing कर ली है, अब तू नौकरी नहीं करेगी. मुझे नौकरी करनी थी. I wanted to do the service. I wanted to learn from outside कि दुनिया कैसी है, मुझे देखना था. I've seen a lot in life. I'm just 25, but I've seen extremely a lot in life. And I would not say सब कुछ देख लिया है, अभी तो बहुत दुनिया बाकी है, अभी तो और चीज़ें देखनी बाकी है. बट जितना एक 25-year-old की लड़की को देखना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा ही देखा है मैंने, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Because I've seen the privileged life, I've seen the non-privileged life also now. Because when you come from a privileged family and then the non-privileged thing when you get, that's very bad. I've been to बहुत गंदी से लोगों के, when I was a stylist at Cult Fit, मैंने लोगों को पसीनों वाले कपड़े उठा के फेंके हैं just because of the 10,000 salary. I wanted that. I was an influencer at that time, but extra पैसा चाहिए. सिर्फ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग से काम नहीं चलेगा. I worked ass off for the 10,000 rupees salary. Used to go to Jaksandra, travel so much, two-wheeler चला के इतना दूर जाना, रोज आना. I've done everything so that I can just be a pillar for my mother. Because my mother, मेरे पापा ने मेरी मम्मी को एक बच्चे की तरह पाला है. He has just kept like a baby. She's literally a baby right now. She still thinks that I am a baby. She doesn't think that I am a mother. She thinks that अभी भी मैं छोटी हूँ. उनके दिमाग में वो है. I'm like, तुम कभी तो मदर की तरह रिएक्ट कर.
That's so my mom. I cannot.
Yeah.
I call her like Mama 20-year-old.
Yeah, you're just like a बच्चा यार. Like, stop acting. कभी कभी अब I want कि you act like a mother, please. Because when my father was there, she was acting like a mother all time, okay? But now she's become just so different person. Such a baby she's become. She wants everything. She wants to do everything. And एकदम वो हो गई है. तो ना when I see life कि यार, okay, यही है. This is how the world is going to be around with me now. And it's insane यार. मतलब the journey has been very
Crazy.
roller coaster ride. And it's still a roller coaster ride for me तो अभी भी.
Well, I think that's when you know that you feel like a little part of you feels satisfied in a way कि like कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है, so you get challenges and you feel like you're overcoming everything, whether it's with your mother or with your
Correct.
sister.
Correct. Because you know what? After you lose a father, I've just lost a father. Yeah, come on. When I see from my mother's perspective, for me, if you see, when your dad is there, क्या करते हो तुम? रूम में जाते हो, फोन यूज करते हो, दोस्तों के साथ बातें करते हो. You have your own life, right? When you're in your college, you don't care about your father, your mother so much because they are a partner. They live together. You don't have that enough time with your parents because your world is very different when you're in your college journey. So at that time I was in my college journey. I was not that much interested or indeed with my family so much. But उस journey में when I see my mother, मेरी मम्मी का दर्द मुझसे 10x ज़्यादा है. I was just 20 years with him. She was 35 years with him. So how can I compare my pain to her pain? Whenever I think about my pain, I just remember my mother कि उसका pain तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Today I have a partner I can call. She has no partner whom she can call, whom she can literally tell कि यार आज ना मेरी बेटी ने मुझे थोड़ा सा जवाब दे दिया. You know that happens because you cannot always be sweet to your mother. No, गुस्सा आ जाता है, लड़ाई हो जाती है families में. That always happens that you cannot. So whenever you think, I always tell people, whenever you want to say a hurtful thing to anybody, पहले go into other shoes. Think from their perspective why they are reacting a certain way. Then respond. Because you really don't know how the other person is feeling and what their emotions are. Before retaliating or responding, ki yaar, how dare you?
Yeah, I feel like the thing is people want to react rather than respond.
Yeah.
I think that's the issue people are facing.
Because people don't listen, right?
Yeah.
उनको सुनना नहीं है.
वो collective listening हो जाती है ना, that
हाँ.
3 words out of that one sentence is heard, the
तूने ये
negative
कैसे बोल दिया, वो उधर ही खत्म हो जाता है conversation. They don't think beyond that, you know. I always want people कि यार तुम पहले come in other shows and think. Then that is when you'll become a kinder person, right? Then what kind of a person you are, भाई, जब तुम किसी को सुन ही नहीं रहे हो. It's very important that you become a good listener in life.
Yeah.
And after my father passed away, I've understood that you need to be yours first. क्योंकि कितनी, when I went to Art of Living, I've seen a lot of women's crying to me, sitting with me, crying. And honestly, I don't know why. Maybe because I'm too practical in life, or maybe my emotions are too shut because I had to be responsible in life. मेरा रोना नहीं निकलता है. I'm extremely an emotional person, but I can't cry. I don't know how to. नहीं निकलता है मेरा. When I saw the world being so cruel, the first thing was I cleaned my tears. The second day, I started observing people. I didn't get time to accept the emotions, accept everything what's happening around, but I had to be strong at that time because everybody were playing games in the family. कि मेरे डैड को गए हुए 2 दिन भी नहीं हुए हैं. यू आर बैक ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, यू आर बैक ऑफ दिस, यू आर बैक ऑफ दैट. आई हैड टू यूज माई ब्रेन. आई हैड टू शट माई क्राइंग. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई कुडंट क्राई बिकॉज वो इमोशंस मेरे बाहर ही नहीं आए. कभी कभी होता है दैट एक्सट्रीमली व्हेन आई मिस माई फादर, नो नाउ दिस फेज, दिस 6 months जो भी मेरे साथ हो रहा है, सो दिस फेज इज एक्सट्रीमली बैड. आई क्राई एवरी डे because this is the closest part, no, this is the dream of every father.
Yes.
So it's like that. So I think nobody can replace a father in a daughter's life.
Not. I don't think anyone can be replaced in anyone's life. Because I
Nobody
feel like
can.
everyone who comes in with that one emotion, with that one feeling, with that one.
I think for a daughter, dad is everything.
I mean,
Not for everybody, I would
yeah,
say.
I mean,
हाँ.
for me, it is more of a wholesome thing. Like for me, I'm too much of a family person, so I just my immediate family, like my grandparents, my parents, my siblings mean the world to me. So for me, like they all come in the same wavelength. Yeah, like
For me, I was a mom girl.
yeah. You thought you were a mom girl
Until
you realized you are a dad girl.
I'm a dad girl.
Okay, coming to the end of our podcast, I have a drop the filter question for you. What does confidence mean to you? And what is that one advice you want to give to people who suffer with self-image issues right now?
So confidence is something is from within, you know. I just feel confidence cannot be borrowed or cannot be bought from somebody. For me, confidence means myself, how I treat myself, how I behave with myself. That is confidence, how I carry myself. Because I think confidence को तुम categorize नहीं कर सकते हो किसी भी तरीके से. It comes from the within part. So you need to be extremely कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर सेल्फ कि यार मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. दैट विलिंगनेस, द विल पावर, खुद के अंदर वो विल पावर लानी पड़ती है. द मोर यू थिंक पॉजिटिव, द मोर पॉजिटिव इज गोना हैपन टू यू, बी ईदर इन एनी फील्ड, बी ईदर यू टेक फैशन, क्रिएटिव फील्ड और एनी फील्ड. The only way you can achieve success is through confidence, and the confidence only comes from within. तो वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. अगर आपको लग रहा है कहीं पे भी आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ है, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट. क्योंकि वो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ को फ्लॉस मतलब फ्लॉन्ट करो. आई बेसिकली फ्लॉन्ट माई कर्व्स एवरीवेयर. आई वेयर बिकिनी, जो मुझे चाहिए होगा मैं वो सब करूँगी. सो दैट इज़ द विलिंगनेस. इट्स अबाउट हाउ यू ट्रेन योर ब्रेन, राइट. तो उसके हिसाब से इट हैपन्स. इफ़ यू आर सफरिंग विद सेल्फ इमेज इशू, फर्स्टली start meditating. Trust me. The best way you can calm your brain, the best way you can think of something is through meditation. I personally believe everything is connected. If you are not, because there are days where you feel very not so good about your body and everything, वो चीज़ आती है, and I face that a lot of times when I'm on a shoot. Basically कभी कभी हो जाता है कि यार that fitting is not good of the outfit what they've given me, बट ये मेरा काम है, अब ये मुझे करना है, तो क्या करेंगे उस पोजीशन पे? या तो तुम अपनी बॉडी फिगर में वो दिखा सकते हो कि यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल, ईदर यू कैन जस्ट फ्लॉन्ट इट कि यार चलो ठीक है, ये है तो है. एक्सेप्टेंस इज द ओनली की to the confidence.
I also agree that you can also do like fake it till you make it.
Yeah. You can like literally fake it till you make it. And I just feel not really. I think I want the person to be.
I feel like, no, it takes, I'm saying like not always, but I think with time you realize that these are, when like for me, if you fake it like for like a day or two, no, like for yourself, it is, the world doesn't need to know it's fake.
Correct.
But in your head, you're like, okay, let's just do it today. Then you realize with time the reasons why you're doing
That is
it.
how the confidence built up. No?
That's what I'm
ये चीज़
saying.
है.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's true. That's correct.
Yeah.
So that is the only way you can, get the self-doubt days very beautifully free. Just start meditating, start believing in yourself that you can do certain things in life, and this is just the phase. This is gonna pass.
This is my key. This is just the phase. Like it'll all
it
pass.
will just pass.
Yeah, it won't stay for long.
Yes.
I think that was a very insightful, emotional.
Yeah, I don't
journey,
think
and
we've short and emotional.
Yeah, but I just want to give you a compliment. I think you're beautiful inside and
Thank
outside.
you.
Yeah.
And
And I think you're also very brave.
yeah, actually, and I'm feeling really like strong right now. I think talking to you. Yeah, but how was your session?
It was very
One
good.
second, this is not a session.
Oh.
How was it today?
No, you guys are actually very sweet, very nice. It was nice talking to you all. बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
You don't love compliments.
It was the best podcast. It was my first podcast. It was the best
A
podcast.
patent thing for everyone to say. But yeah, I
Love it.
think
Thank you so much for coming. It was
coming.
really nice having you, listening to all sides of your life. And
Correct.
yeah, it's pretty crazy whatever you're doing. It's great.
Thank you. Thank you
and
so
I
much.
think that's it for today. We'll see you next Friday.